Hello and welcome. We haven't met in person, but I think I know why you're here. You've probably had your fair share of disappointments trying to make money online. Before we begin, I want you to know it's not your fault. The vast majority of people, some studies estimate as high as 99% never make money online, or very little. So why is it so difficult to succeed in this industry? Knowing how to drive traffic to offers is one reason, staying focused is another, committing to one thing, focusing on your customers, getting the right tools and more. But the main reason for failing to make money online is the unrealistic expectations created by the industry. The marketplace is full of greedy vendors promising passive income at the push of a button. This just doesn't exist. Passive income is definitely doable, but it does require some work. Customers who jump from one shiny object to another eventually get discouraged. They give up and don't make any money online. So who am I and why should you listen to me? My name is Kevin Faddy and I've been a full-time internet marketer for the last 15 years. During this time I've met millions, but more importantly I've helped over 10,000 marketers become financially successful. You can see my results here. And here are a few of my many testimonials. It's really important for me to help others succeed. I know it sounds cliche, but there's no better feeling in the world to see someone turn their life around. But how? It's important to make the distinction between easy and simple. Making money online isn't easy, but it can be made simple. Baking a delicious cake isn't easy, but if you follow a recipe, it can be made simple. That's why I created a course, 100k a year made simple. It's full of case studies, insights and knowledge on how to make $100,000 a year as a marketer using something I called resource compounding. Inside the course I teach you how to take what is essentially a finite resource, compound it again and again until you're at $100,000 a year in, year out. Inside $100,000 a year made simple, I show you a simple recipe you can start using today to make consistent income online. It includes video, cheat sheets and pretty much all the knowledge I've accumulated over the last 15 years. This information will save you hundreds of dollars, possibly thousands in unnecessary expenses. But more importantly, it will save you years of trial and error, because time is one thing we can never have enough of. Once it's gone, it's gone. So you have a choice. Continue jump between shiny objects that will promise you push button riches, or follow a simple but effective recipe that will show you how I earn $100,000 in commission year in, year out. If you're serious about succeeding online and building a long-term sustainable business that will support you for years, don't hesitate. I have no questions asked money back guarantee, so you have no risk whatsoever. For the price of a cheap lunch, you'll receive information that will transform the way you do business online. This stuff works. Do not let this opportunity pass you by. The price goes up every hour, so if you leave this page and come back, you will end up paying more. I look forward to seeing you inside the members area and for you to learn the secrets to succeeding online, taking action and achieving massive success. So click the button below and I look forward to welcoming you on board.